Would you believe me if I told you that I made over $45,000 with a simple ebook that I created in just one day using Google Docs? In this video, I'm going to show you in very simple terms how I came up with the idea for that ebook, how I created it, and how I sold it, and how you can do this as well, but much faster and much easier, and not using platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Gumroad. And it doesn't matter if you've never done anything like this before, because what I'm going to show you is how creating digital products is the very best and easiest way to get started making money online. I've been making money online now full time for just over 10 years. And during that period, I've had some incredible successes. I've made well over $3 million and I've even generated just under $250,000 in a month. And everything started with this very simple ebook that I'm going to reveal to you in this video. Now, it all started when I began my journey on this make money online adventure. And I wanted to launch a product. And I thought that I'd take a piece of PLR. Now, PLR stands for private label rights, and that usually is an ebook or some videos, and it basically means that you can call that your own. You can put your name to it and you can sell it and keep all the money you make. But the piece of PLR that I selected was, I guess, disappointing to a certain extent, and I was a little bit conscious about the fact that I was going to put my name to it, and I thought, I don't know if I can do that actually, not the way it is at the moment. So I pimped it, and that turned out to be an incredible success because that $5 piece of PLR then brought me in $8,000. Now, having had a taste of success when it comes to making money online and turning something for $5 into $8,000, I was obviously keen to continue down that route. So I decided to create an ebook that taught people how I did that, and that was called Pimper. I created it using Google Docs and I sold it for $7, and it taught people how to take something for $5 and turn it into $8,000. So it was a bit of a no-brainer at $7, and it sold incredibly well. That little ebook has gone on to generate over 3,000 sales, and including the upgrades, it's now pulled in over $45,000. All right, so I told you that I was going to share with you how I came up with the idea for that ebook, how I created it, and how I sold it. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of the Internet Archive Wayback Machine, but this is like a snapshot of all the stuff that was going on back in the day. And all you have to do is put the URL in here and you can pull back an old site that's not there anymore. And I've used that to help us take a look at what it was that I was doing back then. So first of all, this is the sales page for Easy Traffic Magnet. Not all of it's here, but most of it is here. And you can see this is a picture of me. I had a bit more hair then and I was a bit younger. But and this is Fergal, my longtime friend now. We're in touch with each other every single day. And we launched this together, Easy Traffic Magnet. Now, how I got the idea for Easy Traffic Magnet, and if we come down here, look, I designed all this. I thought, you know, for someone that was new to this, I thought that was pretty good. And I still look at it now, I think it doesn't look too bad. I got the idea because I went to a site called Big Product Store, and there's actually a link below this video as well that is going to enable you to get a special deal on Big Product Store where you can pay once and you can get access to as many different pieces of PLR that you want for no extra cost. You know, it's unlimited downloads. But I'd seen this, rapid hashtag traffic. Now, Fergal had said to me, if you do something about traffic, it's going to do well. So I thought, well, that's about traffic. I'll download that, which I did. Downloaded the product, but the product turned out to be not so clever. So I had to redo it. And in redoing it, I also built out a complete members site to host it. So I really did go all in on this one. And if we come over to Pimper, which was the next product that I launched that showed how I pimped that nasty $5 PLR product into 8,694. If we come down on this sales page, we'll be able to see there is an animated GIF down here. And it's just got a little snapshot of what the member there, right? So that's what the members area looked like. We'll wait for that to come around again there, all right? So I created that whole members area to sell this, but I sold it on a platform called Warrior Plus. And here you can see on Warrior Plus, Pimper, and it's done 2,996 sales and over $45,000 in revenue, all right? And there's the whole funnel there, the OTO 1, 2, and 3. So they're the upgrades, and that's all the money that it made. These days I do all my selling on a platform called JV Zoo, and you'll see over the last 30 days, I'm actually in the top 10 here at number 6 with one of my releases, Meditation Profit Vault. In fact, I've actually got a complete masterclass training available on how to build, launch and sell your own digital products on JVZoo. So if you're interested in that, this is the sales page and you will see a link to this below this video as well. And how I created it was on Google Docs, and this is the actual document, which is amazing really, because here it is nearly 10 years later and it still looks the part and it's still there and it's still fully editable. Like I can just come in here and I could just start typing straight away. You know, it's bonkers, isn't it? That's something that it's almost like an antique online, but it still looks the business, doesn't it? And that is how easy it is to create a digital product using Google Docs. But what I recommend you do now is create a product like this with as much information, with as much perceived value, but use that as your freebie. Use that as your really high quality and high content lead magnet so you can get people onto your list, and then you can push them through to your own school community. Now, up until this point, I'd been in business all my life. I'd employed people, I had warehouses and staff, overheads, you know, incredible overheads. And I was always exchanging my time for money until I discovered digital products and making money online. You see, what's so appealing about these is, for a start, they're free to create. And you don't need a warehouse to store them. You don't need any delivery vans or drivers or any kind of transportation, because they're digital. So you create them on your laptop, on your computer. And once you've made them, you can sell them over and over and over again. So the profit margins are really high, unlike any other business that I've ever been involved in. Now, at this stage, you might be thinking, great, okay, Trev, I'm going to make my own ebook and I'm going to go and sell it on maybe Amazon or Etsy or Gumroad. But let me tell you that it's actually not the way forward with this these days. I've recently uncovered an incredible way to make money online where normal people are making absolutely abnormal money. And this is how it goes. Instead of creating that sweet little ebook and selling it for $7 like I did, what if you could create the same digital product, but use that as a lead magnet to get people into your own online community, a community that will pay you a recurring revenue for every paid member inside that group. So you can enjoy recurring payments coming into your bank account month in, month out. This is actually what I'm teaching right now inside my free school community. And by the way, there's a link to join that below this video. It's free, so you've got nothing to lose. So once you finish with the video, make sure you go and click on that link so you can come inside and I can show you in more detail how this works. But before you do that, let me just walk you through the basics of how this works and how it's creating millionaires. Now, first of all, do you have something that you are knowledgeable about, something that you're passionate about, something that you would love to share with other people? Well, if you do, then you're already halfway there. But if you don't worry. You see, the thing is, for years now, I've watched people teach other people that you need to follow your passion. But I will tell you this, I'll get passionate about something that makes me money. So if you are not passionate about something, not knowledgeable about something, but you'd love to teach people something that you could get passionate about, then all you need to do is find that problem to solve. And if that's a problem that you'd enjoy solving, then there you go, you're sorted. You have your niche and you have the problem to solve. So you're looking for a problem to solve, an itch to scratch, and some pain to relieve. And what you can do is with that digital product, that ebook, is that you can solve part of that problem. You can scratch a bit of that itch, or you can take away some of the pain, but leave them needing and wanting more. And so your digital product could then literally be funneling people into your own school community where you can make a recurring income month after month after month. Now look, if you don't want to build your own school community, you don't have to, because the beauty of digital products is that you can create that lead magnet and then that could be literally pushing people through to your main digital product, your main ebook, where you solve all the problems, you scratch all the itches and you take all the pain away. And you could sell that for, let's say, $17, $27, $47. And you can make yourself a nice little income doing that. And it'd be really, really simple. But I would suggest that you consider going down the route of creating your own school community. Because as you'll see inside my training, you can start for free and then it's just $9 a month to have your own community on school, where you can start building that out, and having people come and join and building that recurring income. Just a reminder, this is my school community, Victorable, and you can join absolutely free just by clicking the link below this video. Now, we've got 828 members already, and I only opened this 4 weeks ago. It's going incredibly well. I'm getting some incredible feedback, but more importantly, my members are actually getting results. If we look through the wins, you can see we've got lots of wins being posted here. And Lucas here has already launched his own school community. Now, my community that taught him how to do that's only been going for 4 weeks. So it's incredible that already he's launched his own community. So if you fancy learning how to build a reliable and recurring income, then just come along and join my group. It's free. Just click on the join group button and I'll let you in. Now, the most effective way to drive traffic to your lead magnet and to your school community is through YouTube. Ideally, you'd create a YouTube channel in your niche, and then using the strategies that I teach you inside my community, you would upload proven to convert videos to drive people to your lead magnet and then through to your school community. Now, it's actually proven in school, in the back office, in their metrics, that YouTube is the most effective traffic strategy for driving people through to your community. So that's why I recommend it, and that's why I teach my students to do this. Now, obviously, there's a lot more to it than I can cover in a short video like this, but as I said, I've got that free community. The link is below this video. All you need to do is click on that link and you'll come through to what's called my About page. You'll see a video on there, a couple of videos and some information to tell you what the community is all about. And you'll see a little button on the right-hand side that says Join Group. You join that and then you'll be pending and I'll let you in. Now, depending on the time of day, I could be asleep, so you might have to wait a little while, but as soon as I can let you in, I'll let you in for free. Now, I started this community on Christmas Eve, 2025, and in just 3 short weeks, I've gone well through 700 members, and I've already got my students getting their first wins. It's amazing to see the results that we're getting in that community. It really is a very vibrant, alive, engaged community, very supportive, and it's a lot of fun. And I would love to see you in there. All you need to do is click on the link below this video, go through, click on Join Group, and as soon as I can, I'll let you in. Do that now, and I will literally see you on the inside. All the best.